All right, what is going on in Austin, Texas, July 2024, the real estate market? What's happening here? Chris Pesek, broker associate at Pesek Properties. I bring you this information every month. If you want to stay on top of this info, make sure you subscribe to the channel. But for right now, let's dive into the data for July 2024, Austin, Texas. All right, guys, so we've got active listings are up just a little bit. We're kind of hitting that summer flatten off when we're not seeing a lot more listings coming to the market. Everybody that's needing to sell or wanting to sell this summer has pretty much listed their houses. We're going to see some more active listings come to market, but that's just going to kind of be the people that were surprised by having to sell, not necessarily the ones that were planning. Under contract, we're down just a little bit, 4% over last month. But the thing is that's trending. That's down 2 months in a row. So the market here has not come through this summer like it normally does. It's interesting to point out here. Move-in ready homes, again, fairly stable, up 2%. That's just the houses that can be moved into in the next 30 days. That is not new home construction. There's not a ton of new home construction in Austin. I mean, you can tell there were about 700 new houses or new doors, I should say, condos, townhomes, everything else in Austin. So the vast majority of Austin is resale homes. Average days on market, we took a big jump last month, 90 over 70 the month before. Guys, that's a big jump. That's telling me that sellers right now have been on. They're a little bit fatigued. This is definitely a buyer's market. And then average sales price, again, we're still about the same. It's up only 2,000 over last month, and then closed in the last 60 days. We're down. It's saying it's 6%. Again, usually we're going to be a little bit higher than that. I would have expected the month from June to July to be up. We're down a little bit, so that's just telling me, again, the buyers are on vacation right now. We've got high interest rates. That's the climate that we're in. So people are choosing not to buy. They're choosing to do different things. They're waiting on interest rates to come down. So what does that mean from both sides of it? One, if you're a seller, get ready for this type of market. It's a buyer's market. Sellers are having to bring incentives for buyers. They're having to pay for closing costs and things like that. They're having to pay interest rate buy downs and stuff like that. So if you're a seller that's looking to sell right now, make sure you're aware of this market. If you are a buyer, now is a great time to buy. You don't have competition. Sellers, like I said, are bringing money, cash to the table for you to make it easier and cheaper for you to buy a house. Completely different animal from 2 and 3 years ago. But that's it for the data right now in Austin. If you want information on any specific neighborhood or even your specific house, if you're considering selling in the next year or 2 years, give me a call. I'm more than happy to run numbers for you. That's what I do. We will see you in August.